Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Ford Explorer SD. First, ensure your vehicle is in sport mode for optimal performance. Find a flat, dry, and safe area, then turn off traction control. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and controlled launch. With the brake firmly held, press the accelerator pedal completely to the floor. The engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, should stabilize between 2,500 and 2,900. Maintain this steady throttle input. This action builds boost, which is essential for a powerful and effective launch. Do not release the brake yet. Once the RPM is stable and boost is built, quickly and smoothly release the brake pedal. Continue to hold the accelerator pedal fully down throughout the launch. Keep the steering wheel straight to maintain control as the vehicle accelerates rapidly. The transmission is optimized to shift automatically for the best performance. After a successful launch, remember to practice in a safe, controlled environment, never on public roads. Always ensure your tire pressure is correct for optimal grip and stability. Some owners also recommend checking your oil level after hard launches, as these vehicles can experience oil pressure issues. Enjoy the performance responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.